Welcome to another brand video of Pancakeswap. Today we will talk about the price target of Pancakeswap, my brothers, to how much the price of Pancakeswap was increased in upcoming 24 hour. Guys, if we check out the highest point and the lowest price, I absolutely we will understand to how much the price was increased, what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis. But before I will start this brand video, I have one request for everyone to kindly, if you are new on this channel, for brand videos, subscribe, man. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Complete my 5k subscriber. I'm sure my page you can do it easily now. Guys, if we check out 4.40 USD dollar was the current price and 4.84% the price was decreased. Seriously, my brother, if we see the all crypto market, so all crypto market was crashing down, and I think Pancakeswap is in good condition, not bad. All right, because 4.84% it was not a big amount. All right, a big percentage, so this was not a big number, but the volume, if you can see, 20.34% was decreased, so I think this was a big number. But it is also big number, not because you know why. In those days all crypto market is crashing down because this was the start of month, and especially short-term investors are starting selling. So make sure, my brothers, to everyone will be starting selling, because the reason was simple, my brothers. Two holders are starting selling, so therefore the market cap, if you can see, my friends, so the market cap is increasing, decreasing 5.24%. And if we check out the chart result, we will completely understand to how much the price was increasing in upcoming time. After a dump, every coin was pumped, so we will understand this, my brothers, too. After this dump, I'm sure to the price will be pumped up and give you the very huge profit. All right, so don't ignore it, and you will need to wait for a big pump, my brother, because you know why. In those days, if the Pancakeswap condition is not good, I'm sure to in upcoming 24 hours they will give you a profit. All right, guys, the big pumps of all crypto market will be increasing, but my brother, tomorrow the condition was good, but my friend, yesterday also good. But my brother, I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to in upcoming 24 hour also the price of Pancakeswap all crypto market was starting moving upward. So that is a good news for everyone. What you say about that, my brothers, to how much the price was increasing upcoming days or decreasing? All right, tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care.